back, guys. It's good to see you guys again. Praça Martim Muniz. And I'm looking for a musical shop because I want to buy some stuff. I'm not a buyer. I'm usually a maker. Every once in a while, you gotta buy stuff, right? If you're buying stuff that helps you make stuff and create stuff, you should buy that stuff. If you're buying stuff that's not gonna make you create anything, then maybe don't buy anything. Travel instead. I don't know what to say. It's cold again. It's very cold. My jaw is frozen. I can't even articulate, but it's pretty. And I'm still exploring, so catch you guys later. I just got out of the shop, bought a few guitar cables. That was the smallest shop I've ever been in my life. Wow, that was insane. Too small for a tall guy. It's Christmas everywhere. Bells and happy bells and jingle bells and Merry Christmas and Santa Claus. Look at that. Oh man, everywhere.
And look what I found here. Largo Rodrigues de Freitas.
Some people will understand that. Rodrigues de Freitas. I guess this is where I come from originally, huh? Nice. Get you guys some.
Beware, pickpockets.
Wow, this is a castle? Or this is what is left of the castle? What is up, everybody? A little bit of a urban exploration here. Found this weird spot. Totally creepy and kind of cool. Very cool, very awesome. It's like you can go inside this weird, crazy, abandoned, whatever it is. But wow.